Alright everybody, and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about variables and constants, the differences between the two, are there any advantages, and when should you use either one. So let's start off with the differences. What exactly are the differences? So for one, variables use var and constants use let. And variables allow for mutation, meaning that the value can be changed, while constants do not allow for mutation, meaning that their value cannot be changed. And so when should you use either one? If you have a value that you know will change, it's best just to declare it as a variable. And if you know the value will never change, you can declare it as a constant. And are there advantages to either one? Well, yes. Using the constant pretty much makes your code safer because you can't accidentally change the value. And if you do try to change the value, Xcode will throw out an error. And using the constant has a small performance benefit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into some examples. Alright, so let's dive into an example. So I've created a brand new playground, and let me just remove this line here. So we know that a constant is something that where the value isn't going to change. So I'll just use my name. So name equals Enrique. Because we know that 20, 50 years from now, my name is still going to be Enrique. But my age is something that is going to change. So if I were to say I'm 75 right now, next year I'm going to be 76. And if we were to make this age a let and then put age equals 76 and then try to run this, you will see that we get an error and it's saying change let to var to make immutable. So if we just hit this fix to make the variable and then we try to go ahead and do that, it's perfectly fine. It has no problem with it at all. Alright, let's go ahead and do one more example. So let's say we create two constants. So let x equals 10, let y equal 5. And then we do let result equal x plus y. And then we print out the result. And we get 15. But then what if after we want to add another 5 to it? So we do result plus equals 5 and we print out the result. And just in case you don't know, when we type this out, it's pretty much saying result is result plus 5. This is just a shorter way of writing that. And as you can see here, it won't let us do it because we assign this as a let constant. So if we were to change this to a var, now we will get the response of 20 down here. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. Again, variables, it allows the value to be changed, and constants, it doesn't allow the value to be changed. So just be mindful of which one you're using and when, and it'll become second nature to you. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe and leave any recommendations down below for any future videos you would like to see.